to enable enhanced protection in Google Chrome. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to enable enhanced protection in Google Chrome, which provides stronger security against phishing, malware, and other web threats. So now all you have to do is open Google Chrome on your computer, then tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. Now from there, tap on the settings. Now go to the settings. Inside settings, all you have to do is you will get to see some options available at the left hand side. Tap on the privacy and security from the left hand sidebar. Now inside privacy and security, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the safe browsing option available there and simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll have to select enhanced protection. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.